How to upload vertical video on YouTube. In today's video, I'll show you the correct way to upload vertical videos without black bars. So let's get started. Before uploading, make sure your video meets this YouTube Shorts requirement. It should be 9:16 aspect ratio. The video should be under 60 seconds and the file type should be MP4, MOV or WebM. Now, if it's all set, let's open YouTube. Tap on the plus icon in the middle of the bottom. From there, simply go to video and simply choose the video that you want to upload, which must be under 60 seconds. Once it's done, simply tap on next. Here you can simply add various details. You can add caption to your short. You can edit its visibility as well, and you can add various description to describe what your shorts is about. And that's it. That's how you can simply upload vertical videos on YouTube the right way.